In this video, you will learn about our 9 specialized AI models that are under AI Astrology menu, and when to use each of those, how to frame your questions for the best results, and how to get help anytime using our support option. So each area of life is actually shaped by your unique planetary energies, and that is why at astrocircuits.ai we bring you 9 dedicated models which are specialized in each of the domains of life. And it is not like we are giving only one model for you to go and ask all of the questions. That one generic model is there, but to get the sharper response, deeper response that are truly personalized, related to a particular life domain, you need to go and select the right model to ask those particular questions. And remember one thing, a great question is going to bring a great answer from AI. So be specific as much as you can. Like say in the career AI astrologer model, instead of asking like, tell me about my career, this is like a very vague question. Instead of this, if you don't know how to go and get started, click the question ideas button. And in the question ideas button, select the question which is more closer to what you want to go and ask. Like which specific skills, talents, or strengths stand out for me in my career, and how can I best apply them for success? And then ask this to the career AI model. So it is giving me response and then telling me what natural gift I have and how can I apply these particular strengths. It is also giving me what I should not be doing or what I should be really avoiding. Okay. And then to build up on this particular response, I can further go and ask something like, okay, so I'm asking, tell me career paths or professions where I will be successful when applying my core skills and strengths, and then click continue asking. So it is telling me that which particular career path should I go to apply my natural skills. So it is saying leadership and strategy, and then you can become like a strategic planner or operations director, or can go in counseling and support like career in corporate HR or life coaching. So this is how you are going to get response. And these particular response, if you go and type into any generic AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini, you are going to get a very standard response. So this particular model at astrocircuits.ai, it actually goes look deeper into your chart, into your personal energies, and gives you the response basis on your personal energies. So this particular same question can have a completely different response for somebody else basis on their personal energies. And then you can actually go and have this particular continue this conversation. Like say it is giving me some follow-up questions. I can just copy and paste these questions and continue asking. So which industries align best with my methodical work style. So it is now giving me the industries where I can really go and apply my core strengths and skills to be successful, like education, healthcare, and wellness. So these are some of the industries that are being suggested. And then I can continue on having this particular conversation. One thing you would have noticed that it is erasing the previous reply and then giving you the latest response over here. But all of these particular response, you can go and find under the history menu. So if you go to history, you will be able to see, like say these questions, what we have asked just now, what specific skills. We also asked the follow-up question to tell about the career paths and professions. So all of these questions will remain in history for the next 24 hours because of our privacy policy. We cannot go and save it beyond 24 hours. What you can also do is you can do, like say, a complete business planning basis on your personal energies. Let me show you how you can go and do. Like say you go to business AI model and then ask something like based on my horoscope, tell me in So I'm asking, based on my horoscope, tell me which type of businesses I will be successful. So it is telling me I can go into collaborative ventures, creative problem solving, financial discipline. All of these are my probably basis on my core strengths. So these type of businesses is what I can really go and do to be successful. And these response, like how I said, are completely based on your personal energies. One more thing, what we have done in astrocircuits.ai is we don't bring any confusing astrological jargon. We are not saying Saturn is placed in second house and it is aspecting that particular house because of which this particular business is going to work for you. This is all those are very confusing terms for any layman who is not well versed with astrology, and we really don't want to confuse people into going into all those particular placements, aspects, positions, and conjunctions. But in the background, the whole processing happens and you are given like a very crisp response which you can really relate to. Okay, so onto this, I can ask a follow-up question like, give me examples where I can apply, like say, financial discipline, what it has said. And I click continue asking. So it is saying that these are the examples of businesses where I can apply my financial discipline skill. Okay, and you can see sustainable product line, niche financial consulting, tech-enabled service platforms. Okay, so let me like say take niche financial consulting, and then I can actually have a plan from this AI, something like I will say I want to start my own niche financial consulting. Can you give me a 30-day plan to get started? My core. So I'm asking this AI to give me a 30-day plan. How can I get started on my own niche financial consulting? Let us see what it responds. Okay, so it has given me like say 30-day plan, and then in phase 1 it is saying build your clarity and foundation. Between day 1 to day 10, define your niche, focus on specific audience, use your analytical edge, build a lean financial system, something like automated accounting, draft a zero-based budget, and then phase 2 for day 11 to 20, I can launch a free mini guide, test with a pilot group, build a sample online presence, and then day 21 to 30, launch subscription-based plan, partner strategically, and then it is also giving me my pitfalls, which I should be going and avoiding basis on my personal energies and my horoscope. So it is saying don't overcommit and avoid vague promises. And then it is also suggesting me some questions, follow-up questions that I can go and ask based on this particular plan. So you can just see how beautiful it is, giving me a complete plan to set up my own business in a niche financial consulting, which is one of the skill that I can really go and relate to, and then can build something onto it. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you, the power of these 9 different AI specific specialized models, and what you can really go and do, because these responses which you are going to get will be completely different from somebody else asking the same question. But in ChatGPT or Gemini, when you're going and asking the question, it is going to give a very same flat response to everyone. So this is the power that we bring through the AI at astrocircuits.ai. Thank you for your time on this.